Today we got a video from New York Detective, and the title of the video is Officers Refuse to Put Up with Entitled Strip.
On June 7th, 2024, officers were called to a strip club after two women reportedly began causing a disturbance inside the establishment.
No, because give me my ID. Oh my God! Thank God! Please, please. I am so glad that you're here.
Step away.
Are you scared of us?
No, but I'm not going to have any situations arise.
Seriously?
Okay? I don't know what you're going to do. I don't know if you're going to grab my gun. I don't know.
No.
Okay?
Can I just tell you right
So
now?
I'm asking, just take a step back.
In there?
Okay.
All I want is my purse.
What I want to do is I want to figure out what's going on first, okay? Because all I get here for is I see you yelling.
We called
okay?
you. They have my purse, and that's all I want.
Okay.
It's a white purse.
Just a purse. That's it.
White purse, black chain. They want to claim they don't have it.
Okay.
I know they have it.
So black purse.
I know that. Please let us walk in there with you.
You said I can't let you go in if they're not.
No. Seriously?
No.
Bro, seriously?
No, listen, it's their property.
Seriously?
It's their property.
No,
they can make that work.
I want my purse, but I have $200 in there.
I
have a lot. I have $300 in my mother.
Looks like so I can go in there now. You said black purse with
no.
white purse.
Can I please just show you? Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And I have some gum.
Look at this. Look at this. They threw us out.
What did they kick y'all out for?
Because we were being too loud.
Okay.
And we were taking attention from the dancers. And who? I'm a stripper.
Shocker. They were being too loud. Shocker.
They threw us.
What did they kick y'all out for?
Because we were being too loud.
Okay.
And we were taking attention from the dancers. And who? I'm a stripper myself back in Arkansas. Try me. I'm sorry, but I was just trying to tip the girls.
You got a photo of your purse so I can go in there and see if it's
Yes. But I was just trying to tell him I'm not doing no harm in here.
No, we were trying to.
They literally put their hands on us and they threw us out.
I'm gonna figure out something.
Like
First thing.
I have it on video. Like if you really want to try some shit.
I'm not trying to.
I'm just saying. I have it on video.
All I'm trying to do.
For the
All I'm trying to do is figure out what your purse looks like.
I just want my purse, dude.
I'm trying to see what your purse looks like.
God damn.
It's all white.
It's literally all white.
Okay.
Yeah.
The dancer knows what it looks like.
Oh, we gonna get some action in it. We gonna be able to see what's going on.
Hey, bro, back up. You can't come in. No. Jesus, fuck. Right. Okay. What happened? I can tell.
Stop. No, that wasn't me. That was not me.
Do not pull away. Do not pull away. They're both gone.
It was me.
Really, Mackenzie? It was me. That wasn't even me.
Y'all both acting up. We're gonna have
No,
issues
that
now.
wasn't me, dude. That was her.
Man.
440 of it.
I don't
Come step
understand.
over here. Come step over here. Just step over here.
448.
2 white females to tank. Take another unit. I don't have enough room in my car.
Are you serious?
Have a seat against the wall, okay?
Have a seat.
Why would you have us
lean? Lean up
I didn't
against the
do
wall.
anything.
You guys
How
are
do you
acting
want
up too
us?
much.
How do you want us? Sitting?
What's that?
How do you want us?
You're good. Just lean up against that. I gotta wait for another unit now. Trying to go get y'all shit. Y'all aren't under arrest, but this is getting too much. When I'm in there trying to talk and you guys are hitting shit, that's
I
the problem.
wasn't. I literally wasn't. That was not me. Let me the go.
No, we're not doing that.
428 to the unit.
That's too much.
Yeah.
Going on.
Okay.
Money
Hey,
for club, baby.
It's not about money.
Listen.
It is, though.
You guys have a purse?
We look
Okay.
everywhere.
You guys have their ID?
Lying. Lying, bro.
We look in the trash cans. We look everywhere.
Lying.
It was
But I have over $300 in my phone.
Why do we need to keep your bag? We don't need your bag.
I have $300 in that bag.
Beach has anybody?
He's literally lying,
He's my family. So I
bro.
go inside and figure out what's going on.
He's so lying, dude. Please let us look. Dude, we have dancers. We have dancers.
This is the thing. The one girl's comment was so disturbing, and this is why people, just because they go to certain locations and they spend a couple of dollars, they think that they're entitled to do whatever they want to do, right? The lady said, the young woman was like, oh, we spent a lot of money in here, whatever. And that does not give you the right to act a fool, okay? Because you guys are dancers somewhere else or whatever the case may be, but you guys are guests here, right? You guys are not dancing here, right? And these ladies are over here trying to actually, you know, whoever's working there is actually trying to make their money or whatever the case may be. And you're being distracted, or they're being so disruptive that the staff that actually work there can't make no money because they want to be the highlight of the night.
I'll be right here when you're done. Then you know if you want to.
Everything's fine. Everything's fine.
He's laughing in our face.
I know, it's okay.
I know.
It's okay. I feel bad for them. Don't worry.
I'm so writing a bad review on them, bro.
They've got enough of those. I'd say.
No, we came here to spend money in our shit.
I literally spent.
And you're arresting us? Are you kidding me?
Not under arrest, but y'all are acting.
We called you.
I get it.
We called you.
Still,
We did call you.
I get that. But there's a problem.
We called you.
When I'm in there trying to help you guys out, when I'm in there trying to help you guys out, and you guys are throwing shit and yelling outside.
Shit, bro. Take blame, bro.
I know. She said she do it. Alright, the problem is, the reason why you're cussed is because you're out here yelling too, okay? You guys are being disorderly.
Me, bro.
Okay?
I'm
Have a seat
not
against
on no
the...
shit
Come
like
back over
that.
here. Come back over here and sit down.
No.
Come here, baby.
Sasha?
I'm not on no violent shit.
You're not being violent. Come on.
What do you think I am, bro?
Just lean up against the wall.
It's okay. Let's be silent. Let's just be silent.
Please get me out of here. I didn't even do anything.
It's okay, Sasha. We didn't.
You didn't even. You're the one that threw some shit, bro.
I threw my phone at the bar to say,
Get me out of here. I didn't even do nothing. Please.
Alright, now, if you guys calm down and you guys just hang out, you guys are not going to jail. As simple as that.
Yes.
Problem is, you guys are acting disorderly.
He's
I'm not.
waving his badge in his face, bro.
I promise you I'm not.
He's waving his badge
The
in our
problem
face.
You guys are...
It's okay.
No.
He's cool.
No, he's not.
He's listening.
I didn't do anything. You did it. I didn't do anything. I know, and he won't believe me.
No, I believe you. I seen it happen.
Yeah.
The difference is, listen to me for 2 seconds. All I'm saying is, I can't be in there and you guys are out here acting disorderly.
We just need to call.
You guys are detained right now for that reason. You're not going to jail at this moment. I have no desire to take you to jail when I get off in an hour. I'd rather not, because then that holds me over after work. So if you guys just cooperate and chill out, let me figure everything out and get everything back to you guys, we can finish this up.
Sounds good to me.
I just don't understand. I was spending a lot of money.
He doesn't care. He doesn't give a. He literally doesn't give a.
Oh
He doesn't
boy,
give a shit how much. But I'm just saying he doesn't.
man, it was so nice watching this video, and we had like a good solid 20 seconds of silence, and then here she comes starting again.
Shut up!
He doesn't care how much money you spend.
It doesn't matter.
That club does though. That club does though. And they're eating it up.
I know.
And they're eating it up.
I know.
And that's why I just want my purse because I
I'm
don't
trying to
want.
get it.
I
But
don't
when
want to
you're
spend
out-
money there.
Sit down. Sit down. There's your purse. There's your purse.
See them.
Sit
See
down.
them. See
Is that
them.
your bag?
That's
You left it.
literally
It was
my
in the
purse.
female bag. We didn't take inside.
We're not trying to.
Quit walking up on me. Sit against the wall. Jesus.
Is that your bag?
trying to think something.
Is that her bag?
Yeah, that's what you
bag.
described.
Girl's bag.
Can you stay with him for a minute? Alright, I'll go inside and talk to you guys. Jesus.
We're good, babe.
Alright. So what happens now that that's over with?
We told them, bro. We said they was looking for a purse. I said, okay, we'll find the purse, but we'll look for the purse. But they started fighting, doing all, just doing it. Bro. We like, you got to wait outside. We gonna look for the purse. Y'all still going, still being, still. We had to lock the door.
That girl, she was here. I came here and I told her. She said she goes to the back. I said, okay, we're gonna go look for it.
Yeah.
Then she started talking shit. You know,
Sipping the
this and that.
screen, doing
Pulled
stuff.
pull this one, throw this one on the floor. We said, no. And then we just pushed her out.
Yeah.
You know, then wait here. We're going to look for your bag, you know. But we go out there. We checked we checked everywhere. You know, we didn't find the bag.
Yeah, right there, yeah. So it's a way to go back there. You could have got your number. We could have called. What else? You feel?
Yeah.
Not just beat it, don't fight, trying to fight.
Did she break anything?
No, she got broke this. Don't go in there.
I see you got scratches on your window. Did you want to try charges for the decal?
Yeah, let me see.
Man, they were doing the move.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll trespass.
Yeah, and then the girl, they find the bag in the girls' restroom. You know.
Do you guys still have IDs for them or anything? Or?
No, we didn't check inside the bag, so she still needs to check if it's her. So I would just check the bag.
Do you mind if I check? Make sure you have your ID.
Please, please check me. God damn.
I was trying to spend that on.
Please let me go.
They ripped my purse. My Louis Vuitton purse.
They were so
They ripped it.
We're not here, dude.
All right, Sophia, I want to take these off. Don't go crazy, all right?
They are.
I'm just gonna
Please take a
leave.
video of me. Please take a video of me.
I will.
This is so
Sophia, I'm trying to get your cuffs off.
so please take a video of me.
Literally so
Please take a video of me. This is
Sophia, cuff off.
this is so we didn't even do anything.
All right.
We literally didn't even do anything. Never been handcuffed in my life. Never been handcuffed in my life. I didn't even do
All right,
anything.
y'all gotta go. You're trespassing. So you guys gotta go stay on the side of the
We
road.
don't want to be here anyway.
You gotta stay on the side of the road till Vancouver gets here.
Can we put our...
They were lying about my purse. They were here.
No, I know. Girl, don't worry. We're still...
Yeah, so, you know, and then they make all the drama in front. I came here, I told them that okay, we're gonna find
We're making all the drama. You had my purse the whole time.
Baby, don't worry about this.
You had my whole purse the
Start walking.
I wasn't even
I'm not going to jail. Don't worry.
$300.
Find your bag, we go.
These police can't even take care of us.
Check the,
These police are here to take care of us.
You are this close to going to jail.
Maybe a customer took it, you know. They
They broke your $3,000. They broke your $3,000 They broke her $3,000 purse. They won't help us get home.
Because y'all like to pay
He wants it. He says that we
All right,
claim.
go. You're about to go to jail.
He's claiming that we're going
If you don't
to jail.
start walking to that road now,
She's getting her shoes on.
I don't care about her. Get walking that road. You're
Okay,
going to
sorry.
jail.
Okay.
Get walking to the
Let me
road.
get her purse. First.
Hurry up.
Okay, thank you.
Last time I'm telling you. Get her walking.
Cool.
I feel sorry for
You want me to get it? You think I really give a about a dollar bill? You think I give a about a dollar bill? Really? That's so rude. Really?
You gotta go. You're good.
Yeah, you're good. You, not so much. But thank you, police.
That's her dollar.
I want to let you know. Yeah.
All right. Get walking or you're going to jail. Side of the road.
Name. What's your
Side.
badge name?
Happy to side. Go.
What's your badge name?
Go.
What's your won't
You
even
don't-
say it.
That's not a thing.
Won't even
And
say
now
it.
you're going.
Don't
Now you're going to fucking jail.
bitch. I'm fucking.
Unfucking believable. She is a freaking. Oh my god. Oh, she must be fast. Man, they can't get. Oh, they got her together. Ooh. Ooh, they got her together.
Please let me put my titties up. Can I please put my titties up? Please let me put my titties up. Please let me.
Titties up. They ain't got none. Yeah, shit. Damn.
Hey, man. Car ran over my goddamn phone.
Really?
Pissed. God damn it.
Ain't nothing worse than breaking your phone, man. I'm telling you.
That's going to prostitution. Car ran over my phone.
Huh?
Car ran over my phone.
Oh, no. Do you want to sit right there? Where do you want her? You want me to transport her? What do you want me
You
to
want? I don't give a fuck.
You said what?
You want?
No, don't let him turn. Ow! 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 Stop it!
I'm sure her parents are proud.
Yep. Here's the shit. Hold on one second. Parker, take a photo of this, send it to my WhatsApp. My phone's broken. I got you. She's gotta have the ID though.
Will you come back over here, please?
So this right now.
Don't be pissed. This is bullshit.
This stupid shit just cost me $1,200, so I'm gonna be pissed.
Why are you out of $1,200?
Drop my phone chasing her because she wants to act up. Car runs it
I
over.
don't know why she...
Appreciate it.
There, it's up. It's up.
Thank you. I'm sorry. Thank you.
All right, so she doesn't have any pockets or anything.
No,
That's all I want to
You got anything on you?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay.
We know who she is and everything.
I have no
ID.
idea. I just had my car here because I saw they were running.
She's ID'd and everything. We know who she is.
Everything's good.
All right, take her ass to jail.
She was charged with resisting an officer without violence, disorderly intoxication, and trespassing after warning. Share your thoughts in the
Yeah, I'm sure she makes her parents proud. Wow. See, the thing is that, man, you know what I've met a few strippers every now and then. You know what I'm saying? I've come over, I've came across a few in my day, okay? And some of the things that are common with them is they're heavy drinkers or drugs and stuff like that. They like the fast lifestyle, right? Cash, whatever. Now, some may be doing it because they're trying to pay their way through school or whatever the case may be, whatever, everyone got their own little story or whatever. But some of the things that are in common is that, like I said, they're heavy into either drugs or drinking and things like that of that nature, even before they even go up and do those things, right? To even have the courage to go on stage and show themselves and all that other stuff, right? And I say that to say this is that they live a fast lifestyle. So them going, having a good time, they feel comfortable in that environment. They want to go out. They in a new city, go to the club and all that stuff, whatever. They are still like heavily under the influence and they're used to getting their way, right? Because that lifestyle, the women, the dancers, get their way a lot of the time, right? They're getting the attention from the guys or the girls, you know what I'm saying? Because girls go to clubs too, as you can see, you know what I mean? So it's not only a guy thing, you know what I'm saying? Girls go too, so especially I don't know if they were in Florida or whatever, but the Florida ones, I mean, you could go in there. There's business people that go there. I could tell you some spots. You know what I'm saying? You go there, man, forget the girls that's on the stage. Man, you could go there because they got some of the best food that you gonna be eating good. Like, listen, the food is amazing. But anyway, that's neither here nor there, man. It's just, you gotta go out, have a good time. Don't cause a ruckus, man, because you don't want people causing a ruckus when they're trying to work, right? If they're back home and she's trying to work, whatever, imagine that's happening and that's taken away from, her dollars or whatever the case may be, because they got to deal with you or stop the flow of the club to deal with people that is not acting right, man. But that girl got exactly what she deserved, going to jail. You know what I'm saying? The one in the blue, she got an attitude problem too, but she didn't completely push the limits. She kind of knew when to push her buttons and then when to draw back. That's why she didn't go. But she did a good job like straddling the fence. Where the other one, she just is probably like a spoiled brat and she just is entitled. You could tell. But anyway, I think the officers did pretty decent. I know he was just about to get off shift, but that's how it goes sometimes. You got to get that overtime, man. She forced your hand, you know what I'm saying? So you got to take her to jail. You got to do that. Got to get that overtime. Got to do that paperwork. You know what I mean? But anyway, I think overall the officers, they did a pretty good job, man. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.